Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel NTS Guru. Today's lecture is the lecture 6 of series of basics of probability. In this lecture we will discuss some of the questions related to pack of cards. So in pack of cards there are basically 52 cards. Out of these 52 cards, 26 cards are red and 26 cards are black. We categorize these on the basis of color. Next division is these 26 cards is further divided into two categories. 13 cards are diamond and 13 cards are hearts. And these black color cards are divided into 13 cards as club and 13 cards as spades. So in these 13 cards, 4 cards further divided into two categories. In this included king, queen and jack. These cards are called face cards. Similarly, in hearts there is king, queen and jack. In clubs, king, queen and jack. In spades, king, queen and jack. These are face cards in diamonds, hearts, clubs and spades. Remaining cards are non-face cards is similarly in hearts there is ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 cards. Similarly for clubs and spades. These are non-face cards. So 52 cards are distributed into two main categories, red and black cards. Red cards are further divided in 13 cards, diamonds and hearts. In diamond there are 4 face cards and 10 non-face cards. 4 face cards are king, queen and jack. Similarly in hearts, clubs and spades there are 4 face cards and 10 non-face cards in each heart, spade, club and diamond. So total are 52 cards, in which 12 cards are face cards and 40 cards are non-face cards. So we will do some of the questions related to probability and related to pack of cards. Probability of getting red cards. What is the probability of getting red cards? How many cards are there? Red cards are 26. So 26 by total favorable outcomes are 26 and total outcomes, number of outcomes are 52. So 1 by 2 is the probability of getting red cards. Probability of getting black cards. Probability of getting black cards is 26. There are 26 black cards. So 26 by 52 is 1 by 2 is the probability of getting black. Probability of getting face cards. How many face cards are there? There are 3, 3, 3, 3. Total 12 face cards. So 12 by 52 is 3 by 13 is the probability of getting face cards. Probability of getting king. How many kings are there? In each diamond, heart, club and spade there is one queen, one queen and one king. So total kings are 1 2 3 4. So 4 by 52 is 1 by 13 is the probability getting king. Similarly, probability of getting red queen. In red there are 2 kings and 2 queens. So in red there are 2 queens. So 2 by 52 is 1 by 26 is the probability of getting red queen. Similarly, probability of getting king of diamond or king of jack. When there is or, this means addition. So king of diamond there is 1. In king of diamond there are, in diamond there is 1 king. So king in black jack. In black there are clubs and spades, so there are 2 kings. So total 2 plus 3 whole divided by 52 is, this is 3 by 52 is the probability getting of diamond king or king of black jack. So viewers, आपने देखा कि अगर हमें ये एल्गो मेमोराइज हो तो हम कोई भी प्रोबेबिलिटी का क्वेश्चन इजीली कर सकते हैं. सो व्यूअर्स, मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए.